Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So as you're heading out and about, I did put a little bit of a marker for the early morning hours because you could encounter a little bit of patchy dense fog in some areas this morning. It shouldn't be too bad. Nothing as compared to yesterday morning, but know that that's a hazard out there this morning through about midday. The afternoon looks good. We'll kind of hang on to clouds. Temperatures will be into the 40s. There is a potential of an isolated shower or two. What's happening is, so we have a little bit of moisture working in out of the south, and dew points will reach into the low 30s today ahead of a cold front. That front could also be bringing in a few isolated rain showers across parts of the UP. In the upper levels, we have that warm air that's been moving in out of the west coast, and it sticks around with us for a couple of days. So today we reached the upper 40s in some models, indicating a few spots could be reaching around that 50-degree mark reading. Wind flow out of the south today with speeds of 8 to about 12 miles per hour, gusts of around 20 to 25. So not too bad as far as winds are concerned. Here's the breakdown for those temperatures into the afternoon. Mainly upper 40s in the central counties. A few models indicating we could be reaching that 50-degree mark threshold, but it's really going to depend on how much cloud cover is going to be in place. Areas to the east will trend into the lower 40s with some upper 30s. Tomorrow afternoon, and a little bit of a different story. A few low 40s possible in the far southern stretches of the UP, but mainly the mid to upper 30s tomorrow afternoon. And a lot of that has to do with some slightly cooler air that sets in for the end of this week. At this moment, it is a quiet one over at Houghton and Hancock at the Portage Lift Bridge. So this is that front that's just to our west. Some moisture associated with a warm front, bringing in some light rain for areas across northern Minnesota this morning. And then also locally closer to home, just a few of these little isolated rain showers kind of skirting the west coast at this moment. As that front gets a little bit closer, there is a potential of seeing a few isolated rain showers, but for the most part, moisture is limited, and most should just be increasing some clouds and kind of keeping some patchy fog kind of socked in some places at times. Tomorrow, in the wake of that, wind flow will be out of the north-northwest. We hang on to a lot of cloud cover for St. Patrick's Day and for Friday, with temperatures a touch on the cooler side. Even still, this is above normal. I mean, the average high temperature for this time of year is 35 degrees, so not too bad for Thursday and Friday. Then as we head into the weekend, we have a better chance of seeing more sunshine for Saturday and to kick off spring on Sunday. And during that time period, we'll see another